Hey, what's going on? This is Big Ben and I'm live, okay? Let's get this party started. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben and I am a professional day trader and professional swing trader. I swing trade the cryptos and I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button because I will show you how I make money basically just by looking at the charts. Really don't care too much about the news. The news could fake you out so many times. So, you know, if you just want to learn how to just focus on the numbers are, the numbers is basically a chart. So, to me, I think that's more important than anything else. So definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching a replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2, and then you can actually speed up the stream. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new, if you're just new to the crypto world, I just urge you to maybe look at the market a little differently because I'm quite sure that the buy and hold strategies, I'm not quite sure, I am sure that buy and hold strategies this year is not it's not working, you know, because we are in a bear market and you have to understand that bear markets are markets that just continue to go down usually for years. Okay, so you have to adjust your strategy. What me and my students are doing, we are playing these swings, and when you can play swings like this, you can actually make money usually every month. So shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on? Fake news? Yeah. Yep, fake news, man. What's going on, Charlie? What's going on? SJ Wayland, what's going on? You said you've been a subscriber for a while now. Thanks a lot. Is this your first time here on the live chat? SJ Wayland, is this your first time? Shout out to MK Kush. Shout out to Randy. You say you at work listening. I hear you, man. But at least you have the ability to listen at work. You know, that's a good thing. So shout out to everybody that's here. Ben said the charts look totally different now since I went through the course once already. Totally different. So shout out to Randy. Randy understands that the charts looks different now, and he definitely could understand it, you know, way better now. So shout out to Randy. That's good to hear, Randy. Okay. Let me see. What's going on, Glenn? First time on the chat. Yes, Sean. Okay, so shout out to Sean. First time on the chat. I'm going to get the course this week. All right, no problem. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Okay, so guys, overall, hopefully I can make this a quick stream. Right now it's 2:40 p.m. Eastern time on a Sunday. Overall, right now the market is dropping down. It looks like it wants to hit that 68 level. Okay. Me personally, I don't see a bounce from here yet until it hits that 68 level. Okay, until it hits that 68 level, most likely we probably will bounce, but we do have a trend line here. So it's bouncing a little bit off this trend line, but I'm thinking that it probably will continue to go down one more time, but we'll see. So either around this area or the 68 area is where we probably see some type of bounce. Now, will this bounce be a real big bounce? I will get into that later on, but shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, Nara? Sub group? What's going on, Rufus? How you doing? BTC 7 days in a row now in the red on the daily chart. Yep, it is. That's not a good sign for the bulls. 7 days in a row. That's definitely not a good sign. The reason why it's not a good sign is because we had a decent, you know, up move, and then sellers came back in. So that's not good. So overall, guys, like I said, this market had resistance at the 200. No, actually at the $300 billion mark at the, the coin on a coin. I mean the market cap. Bitcoin volume is low. Okay, Bitcoin volume is low. To me, this had so many red signs throughout this whole run-up. Throughout this whole run-up, it had so many red flags. You know, number one, at the bottom of this head and shoulders, I told you it was low volume. Volume is key to me, in my opinion. Volume is key when it comes to reversals in a bear market. Okay, reversals in a bear market, volume is key. I don't really look at volume while I'm trading, but I'm talking about as, like, you know, looking for confirmation and all that different stuff for a key reversal in a bear market. Volume is key because that's when the big dogs is in or coming in. Okay, now just because you see a lot of volume come in doesn't mean that's going to be the bottom, but it's an indication that the bottom probably will come soon, maybe a couple of months later or a year later. But at the same time, you can tell that at least buyers is coming in. At this level, there was no buyers. Okay, we had 3 billion, 2 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion, you know, and then the volume actually started to increase when the market was going up. So that didn't sound right, because if you know anything about the market, a lot of times the big dogs will push the market up just to sell it. Okay, so that's why you probably saw that high volume when the market went up. It's because the big dogs pushed it up. Okay, and then they sold the market. So you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Learn how to read this market. You hit this key level, sellers came in, and that's what it is. So volume, like I said, when it comes to reversal is very key. I told you guys, I've been telling you guys that when it comes to reversals or the bear market in general, anything that's look easy or you know, too, what's the word I'm looking for? Too obvious. Anything that looks too obvious, like this double bottom was too obvious. This triple bottom was too obvious. This inverse head and shoulder was too obvious. Anything that looks too obvious in the bear market is a 90-something% chance it will fail. This is why I told you guys, be careful. It's not that easy as you think it is, okay? When you try to pick tops and bottoms, that's a dangerous game. So we've been in the bear market since January. The chart doesn't lie, okay? The chart doesn't lie. Numbers don't lie. This is why I focus on the chart. It's just what it is. It's not, you know, I remember someone asking me, hey, Ben, why you turn bearish? I didn't turn bearish. The market just, you know, the market turned into a bear market. What you want me to do? I don't control the market. So as a professional trader that makes money, I have to go along with the major trend, and the major trend this year has been down. So I'm going along with the money. It's not because I don't care about cryptocurrencies, okay? But you have to make that shift. Some people can't make that shift. They so in love with the coins, okay? You can still love the project, but at the end of the day, we are here to make money, okay? So if you can figure out another way to make money while you're waiting for that bull market to come, then, you know, why not? Why not? This is how the rich is doing it. So why would you want to be stuck at a certain level? Okay. So I talked about these humps right here, these small little pullbacks, how everything was getting smaller. Okay. So we went down from here, we went up, right? We went down, up, everything was just getting smaller, okay? Every time we had these big pullbacks, the market was getting smaller. I mean, the pullbacks were getting smaller. So that's why, me personally, I didn't get excited when I saw the market go up, because I know that Bitcoin has a history of going up and coming right back down, going up, coming right back down, okay? For anybody to get excited, we have to go to 10K, okay, hold this level, and maybe see some higher highs. Until then, you know, we can't really get excited. Now a lot of sellers came in at this key level, and we will see what's going to happen next with Bitcoin. So this is another reason why I tell people buying dips in the bear market is a dangerous game. Most people just don't understand. They think it's a joke. Okay, it's not going to be a joke when your bank account is empty and you really don't have money for emergencies. Okay, you can't just empty out your bank account just because you believe something is going to go up. Okay, first of all, let me explain something to you. The market doesn't have to go up. Okay, there's nothing in any book that says the market Bitcoin has to go back up to 20K or 50K. Okay, that's just a belief. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you have to play it safe. You can't just put all your money, your life savings, your hard-earned money, just because you believe Bitcoin will go up. Now, do I believe Bitcoin could go up? Yeah, I believe Bitcoin could go up, but that doesn't mean it has to go up. Okay, anything can happen. Anything could happen. So that's why me personally, I don't buy the dips, because when you buy your dips, you basically putting all your life savings into one coin and hoping things will go up. And that's a dangerous game, you know. So let me see if I see any questions. Let me see if I see any questions before I keep going. What's going on, Craig? How you doing? Cedric, what's going on? How you doing, Cedric? Yes, you said you was watching another YouTuber and he's talking about a throwback pattern. I remember seeing that. I forgot what YouTuber said that, but basically, I didn't really look at the whole video, but you can't really. That throw, I believe, was. Let me ask you this question: was the throw? You said the throwback pattern. I gotta look more into that because I really didn't look at that. But overall, it doesn't matter what pattern we see in the market. You have to understand. Let me explain to you how this works. Okay. Bull patterns doesn't work in the bear market. Bear patterns doesn't work in a bull market. Okay, so any bull pattern that you think you see or you're going to see, most likely it won't work because it's a bull pattern. Okay, the pressure is to the downside. So any type of bull pattern that you see, it probably will work for just a little bit and then it will go right back down. Okay, that's how it works in the bear market. And the opposite is the same, you know, is the same when it comes to a bull market. So I got to look more into that throwback pattern. I saw something like that today, I believe. But I didn't really look at the video. But you just have to, you know, you have to understand that most people on YouTube are not full-time investors, full-time traders. So what they would do when the market goes down, what they would do, they would search for anything for just to see if they can make that a video. You know, so you can't believe everything that you see on these guys' videos. But the best thing to do is recognize that we are in a bull trend, and a throwback pattern is most likely won't work because we are in the bear market. So let me see if I see anything else. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. I didn't give nobody a round of applause, so let me give everybody a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to everybody here. Discord room. You said Discord channel, very good. Thanks for that. No problem, man. No problem. And if you do have the course, if you do have my course, and you don't have the Discord room yet, email me with proof that you got the course, and I'll send you a link. Smash the likes, like Leslie Savage said. MK Kush said, bear market is no joke, people. Yeah, it's no joke. Okay, the bear market is probably, I'm trying to figure out how can I. It's probably like a cute girl that you like, that's always teasing you, right? Trying to, maybe flirt with you here and there. Trying to give you signs that she like you, but at the same time, when you about to go to either ask her out or, whatever the case is, she shoots you down, right? She said, nah, you just a friend. Okay, I don't want to deal with you right now. I mean, I can't deal with you in that way. You just a friend. But meanwhile, she's flirting with you and doing all this stuff. She giving you all these different signs that she likes you. But when you go for that kill, you go for that, hey, let's take this another step, or let's be boyfriend and girlfriend. She's like, nah, you're a brother to me, or you're a friend, or whatever the case is. That's what the bear market is doing, okay? It's teasing you right now. So the market's going up, right? It's telling you, hey man, we about to go to the moon. Shoot right back down, okay? Go up, get your hopes up, shoot right back down. Go up, get your hopes up, shoot right back down, okay? So that's why you just have to take it day by day. Don't get excited. Don't get too excited when you see news, okay? Because most people don't understand, in a bear market, good news will not reverse the market, because most people just don't understand. Every bull market and every bear market has a target, okay? It has a target. We don't know the target. So this bear market will continue to go down until it hit that target. We don't know which target it is. Okay, we just have to be patient. We just have to be patient and wait for that target. Meanwhile, while we're waiting for the target, we can actually make money by playing these swings. Meanwhile, we can actually make money by playing these swings. And most people, they just can't get that. They just can't switch to that. Like, I don't understand. Like, why you can't switch? Most people just don't understand what's really going on. How come you can't switch and think the way I just, what I just said? Like, why can you not think that way? Okay, realize that we are in the bear market until the bulls come. Take advantage of these swings in the market. What's so hard about that? You don't have to suffer. You don't have to be depressed. There's money to be made right now as we speak. I'm quite sure that you guys see it. You see my students making money. You see me making money. So it's not like I'm just talking just to be talking. There's money right in front of your face. So why suffer just because you believe that the bull market is around the corner? What I like to always tell people, take things day by day, week by week. Don't try to look too far in the future. That's what's going to hurt you. Okay? That's what's going to hurt you. So go with the flow. Right now, the flow is down. It's just what it is. I wish I can trust me, I wish I can reverse this market for you guys. I know some of you guys portfolio is down. I wish I can reverse this market for you guys, but I can't. I don't control the market. So since the flow is down, I have to go along with that flow. I don't understand why some people just can't get that. Okay? I've been doing this for 11 years, and that's how a professional basically navigates the markets. So let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Everyone hit the likes. Yes, thanks a lot, Nara. Muhammad, what's going on? First time here. Are you a first time listener too, Muhammad? You say you first time here. But are you a first time listener, or are you just first time on a live stream? So shout out to everybody that's first time on a live stream. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Okay. And if this is your first time here, please don't be shy. Ask any questions. I've been doing this for 11 years. So, you know, if you have any questions about the chart or whatever, let me know. Let me see. I'm reading these questions now. Okay, let's get down to the questions. I hope you guys had a good weekend though so far. What's going on, GR8? Okay, Darlan said between $2,000 and $4,000. I hear that. Muhammad said, can you predict when a bear market is about to end? Maximize. No, you can't really predict anything. You know, don't let these guys fool you on YouTube. Okay, you have to understand these guys. They rely on YouTube. So what that means is if YouTube go out of business today, let's say that YouTube just shut down, most of these guys have to go back to work. They have to go back to a 9-to-5. Okay, this is their full-time job, making videos. So they have to come up with any content that sounds good. Okay, they are content creators. So they would come up with anything just because they want to keep their channel alive. So don't let nobody fool you and tell you, hey man, this is what's going to happen 2 years from now, or in August, or you know, whatever. Okay, when I say we are in the bear market, that's not any prediction. That's what's going on. Okay, that's not a prediction. That's reality. That's what's going on. We are going down. Okay, most people just can't understand that. We are going down. We are making lower lows. Every time we go up, sellers come in. This is this rinse repeat on and on for this whole year. Okay, so no one knows when the bottom is in. Only indication you would probably get is volume. Okay, when more volume comes in the market, you could probably recognize the bottom. But even then, even when more volume comes in, that doesn't mean that the market will just reverse that time. You know, it might take 6 months from there, or a year, when you see that volume come in. Okay, it doesn't mean that as soon as the big volume comes in, that's when the market is going to reverse. It might take some time, but I like to see volume. Okay, before I even say anything about reversals. And so far, Bitcoin volume wise hasn't been good. Let me see. The moon, you said the moon. I watched the video. He said it was an option but potentially fell. Yes. The moon. I know exactly what channel you're talking about. He seemed like a nice guy, you know. He seemed like he means well. But you know, I can almost guarantee you he's not a full-time trader or investor, but he seems like he means well. So shout out to him. I definitely don't want to talk bad about him. Because there's a lot of other YouTubers that's way worse than him. Trust me. Let me see. Crypto Fingers, what's going on? Ahmad, what's going on? Shout out to everybody that's here. Perfect comparison, Ben. Crypto unsure chicks. Man, where's my laugh button? Where's my laugh button? Let me see if I can find that laugh button. Shout out to everybody that's here, though, guys. Let me see if I can find a laugh. Fibonacci Frey. You said Fibonacci, but what's the question though? You just said Fibonacci. What you want to know about the Fibonacci, Frey? Let me know. What up, Bobby? Craig made money today. Thanks to your course. Looking to make more. So shout out to Craig. Craig is one of my students making money. He said he made some money today. So let me hit that cha-ching button for him. It's good to see that. You know, it's good to see that because most people, they can't make money in this current market. Let me see. Yes, people need an exchange that could flip the chart. I know, exactly. Flip the chart so they look like a bull market. Oh, man, that's funny. Hey, what's going on, Keith? Good to see you here. You say your my phone is cracked. I'll be listening and let's get this. You said let's keep the conversation clean here. Yes. Shout out to Keith. Thanks a lot for coming through, Keith. Frey said you want to. You said you want to buy the dips. Well, nah, I wouldn't call yourself dumb, Frey. You know, you don't have to call yourself dumb. You have to understand that most likely you are new to the market. Okay, so when you're new to the market, you just basically cling onto the things that you hear the most, right? The things that you hear the most people, they cling onto that and they think it's true. Okay, so if your brain hears something a lot, right, over and over and over, most likely your brain is going to think that whatever that message is, it's going to think that it's the truth. Okay, but it don't have to be the truth. So, you know, buying dips is very popular in the crypto world. But like anything else, you really have to understand what's really going on. Okay? So if you buy the dips in a bull market, yes, that's a great thing to do. A very good thing to do. If you buy dips in a bear market, that's a bad thing to do because no one knows the bottom. This thing could go lower and lower and lower and lower. So you have to be careful. Okay? Have to be careful. Let me see. I'm looking at these questions. Shout out to everybody that's on the channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. You said, can you run a Fibonacci on this chart? You can run Fibonacci's. I haven't really done any Fibonacci on my chart right now. If this most likely is at the 68 point level, 68.1. And like I said before, any bull signal in a bear market, most likely it's not going to work. So most likely you will see a bounce either here or in the 68 level. But we'll see if that bounce is good or not. What's going on, crypto gains? What's going on, Bruno? You say you're hoping to go to 5K. I hear you. The faster we crash, the faster the bull. I hear you, man, Bruno. Are we the perfect example? Low alts are the perfect example of a low, exactly. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot for joining me on this beautiful Sunday. Well, it's beautiful where I'm at right now. The sun is out. It's not raining. Okay, so it's beautiful out here. Thanks a lot for joining me. If you don't have my course yet, actually, if you do have my course, email me. And because I just created a Discord room for the students, so email me and I will give you the link to the Discord room. And if you don't have my course, definitely check it out, because during the live stream I give a 50% discount. So right now I'm gonna give you guys that, because I know some of you guys don't have it yet. Right now it's at 210, so I'm gonna give you guys 50% off. And once I get off this live stream, guess what? It's going right back up to 210. So if you want to take advantage of that, you know, that's on you. But this course will show you how I was able to short Bitcoin, okay, and made money right here. Okay, this short right here, I took this short right here. We shot back down, and my students made money too. So, you know, if you want to look at the chart, see opportunities like that while you wait for the bull market to come, then definitely this is the course for you. And what's so unique about this course is it's not just showing you how to go short, it's showing you how to make money in the bull market too. Okay, the best of both worlds. It's recession proof, and I have testimonials to prove it. People are making money over here, guys. So, you know, like I said, it's up to you. If you want to take advantage, my top student made 21,000 less than a week. So, you know, if you want to learn more about that, everything is simple in the course. If you have a 9-to-5, don't worry. This course will definitely show you everything. If you have a 9-to-5, you can still play the market. You use the 4-hour or the daily chart. I just copy and paste the link. So shout out to you guys. Now, overall, I believe that once Bitcoin gets to either this level right here, the 68 level, we do have a trend line here, so it looks like it's probably going to respect it a little bit. But either right here at this trend line or at this 68 level, we might see some buyers come in. But the way this looks, guys, honestly, let me go to the 4-hour. Okay, honestly, I thought we was going to get another up move, okay, because this was looking, you know, bullish temporarily, okay? Like, it looks like it was trying to go at least maybe to 88, right? Maybe 9,000, okay? So when I saw this bull flag right here popped up, right, I thought we was going to get another flag or something, okay? We shot down right here. Bulls came back in. So I was like, okay, that looks bullish. We consolidated right here. We dropped a little bit, but we snapped right back up. Okay, so automatically, okay, I'm like, we most likely we're gonna make a new high. 88, 87 probably. But sellers came in at this key level, shot down. That's when I took the short. And you know, ever since then, the market been selling off like crazy. So the way I'm looking at this, guys, I really thought that we was trying to push up at least one more time. But the way it looks like we don't want to push up another time. It looks like we don't want to push up no more. So what I expect right here is maybe some little bounces at this level or the 68 level, like a little bounce, maybe some consolidation, right? And then maybe continue to break down. That's what it looks like right now, because the amount of sellers that came in at that level and brought this market down like this is kind of suspect. Okay. So honestly, I don't really see, as of right now, I don't see why any buyers will come at this level. You know, time will tell, but as of right now, the way I'm guessing is once we hit this level, a little buyers will come in. We might probably consolidate a little bit and continue to go down. Okay, that's what it's looking like. Honestly, I thought we had one more push. So we was talking about this yesterday. Okay, we was talking about this yesterday. I told you guys that these guys that control the market, right? They are literally 100 steps ahead of you. Okay, they are 100 steps ahead of you. So that's why they are able to fake you out, make you believe that, you know, we're going up. They have all the mind tricks up their sleeves, and they know everything about you. They know how you think, how you behave. They have the data, okay? They know where your stop losses are. Okay, they know how many people are short, how many people are long, and they take advantage of all that data. Okay, so maybe they saw that this was a perfect opportunity to just dump, because if the market continued to go up, maybe a lot of people was trying to sell at 9,000 or 10,000. Okay, because those levels right there, those are two key levels. So maybe they saw, you know, that a lot of people was trying to break even around 9,000 and 10,000. So maybe that's why they didn't really want to bring the market up that high. Okay. Because you have to understand how they make money. They only make money if someone loses. That's the only way they make money. They can't make, there's no other way. So someone has to lose. So if people get out break even here, that means that they don't have no money to take. Okay. So we will see. We will see how things play out. But the way things look right now, as I speak, it looks like the Bears is trying to bring this thing down. I don't think they want to go up, because honestly, guys, I thought we was going to have at least a double top, or at least another push up. Okay. But the way it looks right now, it looks like they don't want to do that. They just want to bring this market down. Okay. This is why I take things day by day. I try not to worry myself and get too, crazy about the future. Because if I get too crazy, then I wouldn't be able to make money. This is how I was able to, even though I thought, we was going to push up one more time, right? Even though I thought we was going to push up one more time, this is how I was able to take a short right here, because once you learn how to read the chart, it doesn't matter what you think, okay? So let me say that to most people that are new to this crypto world. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter. Your beliefs doesn't matter at all, okay? Whatever you believe, it doesn't matter. The chart is always right, okay? So that's what I do. I just only focus on the chart. If the chart telling me we're going down, guess what? I have to take this short. No matter if I believe that we will hit another high, it doesn't matter what I believe. So I took the short, and that's how, it went down. But overall, the way this looks right now, it looks like it doesn't want to go back up. It looks like it's trying to, we see a small bounce right here, maybe consolidate a little bit and continue to go down. So be careful anybody that's trying to buy these dips, just be careful, okay? So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Thanks a lot. So are you looking for a nice short position if we break the horizontal support? No, I'm not. Well, you know, I'm not looking for anything right now until I see a setup. Okay, so if you MK Kush, I'm quite sure. Did you get you got my my course, right? Let me see. BJ said, Ben, I'm ready to get the course and make money in this bear market. So shout out to BJ. BJ, did you get the course already? Because right now the course is at the discount. Okay, the course is at that discount right now. So let me know if you got the course already. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions about the chart, let me know. Please let me know. Let's look at some altcoins. Ethereum. Yeah, all these altcoins, I told you guys, all these altcoins looks like it's trying to hit some type of low. So Ethereum looks like it's trying to hit this low right here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Zoom in a little bit, actually. Ethereum looks like it's trying to hit this low right here. Actually go below this low. So this low right here. Let me see if I can. Right here. So that's what it looks like. That's the target right there. This low right here. Let's go Litecoin. Litecoin looks like it's trying to. Definitely looks like it's trying to go to this low right here. But most likely, if it goes to this low, it's probably gonna go lower than that. But definitely, this is the first target. Let's go to XRP. Yeah, XRP is definitely trying to break this. I think it's 41 cents. That low. So it looks like it's trying to break this low right here that I have circled already. Okay. Let me see. TRX. So all these guys is like trying to break this low. So TRX most likely probably going to break this low. So the whole market is weak, guys. Weak. Please be careful out here. You know, please be careful. Yeah, BJ, let me know if you trying to get the course. Someone asked me about ADA. So ADA definitely looks like it's trying to. Sheesh. Let's see if I can get a. Let's see. Definitely looks trying to hit this low. What's the lowest low? So this low right here. Okay, ADA definitely looks like it's trying to break below this low right here, which is around what, $11 or so. Let me see if I see any questions here, guys. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Hall? You said volume has been dropping. Yeah, yep, it's dropping. It's definitely dropping today. You said keep your live stream when I should been studying. I got into real juicy stuff. I hear you, man. I hear you. I bought it to support you, the knowledge and the bonus, man. Thanks a lot, man. Kush. Yeah, Kush, right now, I'm not looking for no shorts. Of course, you just wait for a quality setup. You know, just wait for a quality setup. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. It's entertainment only. You said, do we have that in the trader view? What symbol is that one? I don't think they have that on trader view. So yeah, they don't have that in trading view. The chart on this. What you want to know the chart on this? What about it? It looks like it's going up. What you want to know about this price? I mean, this coin. So yeah, this coin looks like it's going up, okay? But you know, do I trust it? No, I don't trust no coin right now as we speak in this bear market. So let me see if I see any questions. You said, I feel if we make new lows, it's going to crash hard. Yes, that's what I'm thinking too. I'm thinking it's probably going to be a crazy washout. If you look at XRP chart, that definitely looks like a crazy washout if it break these lows. I don't know if it's going to be like one crazy candle, but if you look at XRP, it has a lot of room to go down. Okay, it has all this room to go down. So XRP break this lows, it could get ugly. Shout out to you, MK Kush. Shout out to you. So let me see. You said why? Bobby said why though? I just don't know how in a bear market. Bobby, you said why though? What question? Oh, cause you talking about the coin. You said why though? I just don't know how in the bear market. Well, basically, the reason why I'm saying why is because the way cryptocurrency work. Okay, if this was the stock market, then I would say, you know, it's a possibility that that coin could go up. But since Bitcoin is the main coin and it pretty much controls everything, when Bitcoin goes down, the market goes down along with Bitcoin. So that's why I say that. You know, right now it's going up, but you have to understand that a up move in the bear market is usually temporary. Okay, it usually don't last that long. So that's why you have to understand how to play the market. That's why you have to understand how to play the market. I wish everybody on YouTube would, you know, had the same mindset like I had, you know, like I have, because, you know, the lies that they spread it around and the false information that they spread it around is ridiculous. You know, they got people thinking one way, and when it comes to investing, you can't think one way if you really want to make money. Okay, if you don't want to make money, if you just want to sit, hold, wait, you know, that's fine. But I'm talking. My channel is about motivating you guys, inspiring you guys to get to a certain level where you don't have to depend on your job. Okay, that's what I want you guys to do, so you can make that consistent income. If you want to make consistent income, you have to understand how the market works, and you have to understand how to make money, whether the market is going up or down. Okay, so if you buy and hold this year, you know, for 8 months straight, you didn't make any money for 8 months straight. How can you do that for a living? You can't do that for a living. It's impossible. So that's why I'm trying to show you guys, hey man, there's another way. You can play these swings. Play these swings in the market. The market doesn't go straight up, straight down. It has these little swings right here. You can play these swings. Okay. Let me see if I see any more questions. You said I'm only shorting XRP. That you said it's trash. I hear you, man. I hear you. I hear you. The XRP looks like it has a lot of room to go down. It has a lot of room to go down. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. And if anybody got my course, so shout out to BJ. BJ said he just got the course, man. So shout out to you, BJ. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. Okay. Shout out to you. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Okay. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I appreciate it, man. And if you don't know what the course he's talking about right now, he's talking about this course, the best course in the crypto space, period, hands down. I don't care what course you put it against, it's going to beat it, you know. There's no course out here that's giving people the ability to make money, and I have the testimonials to prove it. Okay? Testimonials to prove it. People making money. But it's up to you if you want to get it. Okay? It's up to you. So shout out to you, BJ. I appreciate you supporting the channel. Let me hit that cha-ching button one more time for you. And like I tell everybody that gets the course, if you study, discipline, do things step by step, you know, there's money to be made. There's money to be made right now. Not 2 years from now, not when the bulls come. We don't know when the bulls going to come. There's money to be made right now. So shout out to you, BJ. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel and getting the course. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me see. Nara actually asked a good question. He said, Ben, do you believe the crypto market can be a market which cannot be manipulated, and what would it take to be happen? So I mean, what it would take to happen. So basically, shout out to Nara. No, I think that's impossible. The reason why that's impossible, in my opinion, is because you're dealing with human beings. You know, I'm quite sure the creator of Bitcoin. You know, this is why I'm pissed off when it comes to cryptocurrency. I still love cryptocurrencies, but you know, let's be honest, guys. The way people are treating this market is not the way that, you know, the creator of Bitcoin wanted things to go. He wanted Bitcoin to be, you know, that currency, so we can actually exchange and use it, you know, peer to peer. Like basically, if I want something, if you have Bitcoin, you can, you know, transfer that Bitcoin, and whatever the case is, we can use it every day as currency. Okay, we're not doing that in the crypto world. We're not doing that. We basically buying these coins and holding it. Okay, we buying these coins and holding it and treating it like it's some type of precious metal, right? We saying that we want to hold it until it hit $1 million, right, or some crazy number. We're not treating the crypto market right. So if, you know, until we use it as a currency, and not every, you know, people, right now everybody wants to buy a coin and get rich, get a Lambo and whatever. Okay, that's what majority. That's like 95, actually 98% most people want to do. Buy a coin, hold it, make millions so they can get Lambo or whatever the case is. Okay, but until then yes, this market will always be manipulated. At the end of the day, we dealing with human beings, so human beings are a lot of human beings are terrible people. They don't really care about other people. They are greedy, and they do whatever it takes to make money. So that's why you see a lot of scams. That's why you see a lot of hacks, a lot of craziness going on. Okay, so no, this market can't, most likely this market will continue to be manipulated until we have a good system in place. And it's going to be very hard to have a good system in place if you have human beings involved, all right? Especially, bad human beings. So it's going to be very hard to get to that level. Right now, it's too corrupted. Of course, you can say once the government comes in, they can make it like that. But no, even if the government comes in, it's still going to be definitely manipulation. Just how, the same way we have manipulation in the stock market. So it is what it is. It's just how human beings are. Something that we can't get around. And now the way I'm looking at it is, okay, if they want to play that game, then I can play that game too. Okay, we can make money from this. From all, a lot of people don't understand, we can make money from all that manipulation. Okay, we can make money from that. So if they want to play that game, fine, let them play that game, and we can make money from that. But overall, I wish that cryptocurrencies was a stable place so we can exchange and we don't have to deal with these, exchange back and forth with different people. So we don't have to deal with these banks. I wish that could, that could happen. But unfortunately, right now, we are not in a good space right now. So we just have to wait it out. But it's too much corruption right now. That's why you see the market going down, and it has to flush out a lot of these coins that's garbage. But shout out to BJ. Thanks a lot again, BJ, for getting my course. I appreciate it. And BJ, when you have the time, email me. And make sure that you tell me that it's you. If you want to send proof that you bought the course. Okay, send proof that you bought the course, so I can send you the Discord link, because I just created this Discord like a couple of days ago. So definitely get that. And anybody that's on this live stream, if you have the course, definitely email me, and I'll give you the Discord link. But you have to show me proof that you bought the course. Okay. So let me see. Ben, do you believe? Yeah, let me see if I see any questions. MK Kush said every market is manipulated, period. Yeah, exactly. Every market is not just the crypto market, it's a stock market, is commodities. Every market, at the end of the day, we dealing with human beings. It's just how things work. I'm quite sure if you get a group of 10 people, right? Get a group of 10 people, and let's say that 10 people are, they all are nice. I can guarantee you that maybe one out of the bunch has the ability to turn, be corrupt and try to do bad things. So it's usually one or two out of the whole bunch that is not all. They're not all there in the head. They're not all there in the head. Okay, so they would do anything to take advantage of people. You said, can I get the course with cryptocurrency? Yes. So if you want to get this course with cryptocurrency, you have to email me. So I'm gonna send you my email address right now. Okay. Shout out to you. Let me send you. Send you my email address. So I'm typing in right now. Okay. So let me see. Okay. So I just sent you my email address. Once you email me, let me know. Yeah, BTC. So can I get it? Yes, you can get it with BTC. This basically email me. Actually, email me right now. Email me right now, because I know, you know, if you email me right now, I know that you was on the live stream, so I can give you the discount rate. Okay, so discount price. But you have to email me right now, because I have to know that you're on the course. I mean, on the stream. But yes, I definitely do accept BTC. Let me see any question. Did you get the email? Nara said, we all know that this is manipulated, then we can use these and follow these patterns and make money over. Exactly. Nara hit it, you know, he basically said it the best. Okay. If they want to play that game, that game, then fine, I'll play that game with them too. Okay. I just make money, you know, from the market that way. Let me see. Let me see. So yeah, guys, so I'm about to get off this live stream soon. If you have any questions, let me know before I get off this live stream. Just be careful out here, especially in this YouTube world. There's a lot of guys that just, you have to understand, people, you know, unfortunately, a lot of people don't care about you. Okay. They would do anything to make a buck. So, you know, they make videos telling you, guys, we are in the bullish market. I remember one guy said we in the bullish market. Okay. And when you hear videos like that, automatically you'll start to buy the market. It's just because you hear that. Okay. Or you have someone tell you to buy these dips. I remember reading a tweet. A guy made a tweet, and I forgot exactly what he said, but it was about buying the dips. And underneath, you should have read the comments. Okay, a lot of people said, if I buy any more dips, I have to take out a loan or something. Or another guy said, if I buy any more dips, you know, he said, matter of fact, another guy said, I can't buy the dips no more because I ran out of money. Okay, so that's the bad thing about the bear market. If you continue to buy these dips, you can, you know, most likely become broke and run out of money. So it's best to understand how the market works, and take it day by day. Okay. So a lot of people don't understand that if this market, let's say that, for example, and I'm not saying that this market will do this, but let's say just, you know, just for an example, if the market goes crazy and goes up, right, and decide to go up back to 20K or 50K, guess what, guys? I'm gonna make money too, you know. And that's the best way to make money in any market. Because if you just think one way, your dreams and your hopes will definitely get crushed, and most likely a lot of you guys probably going to quit and give up, just because one day you're going to realize that you don't understand how the market works, and it's taking your money. So to me, in my opinion, the best thing to do is to learn how to make money whether the market's going up or down. So let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. You said, I saw this video said quoted by somebody important saying BTC will be one world currency. If that happened, would the market be still be unstable, up and down? Does it have potential to stabilize? So basically, number one, BTC. You know, first of all, the government would never make BTC a world currency. Only way BTC would be one world is if the government takes over. And if the government takes over, yes, everything will be stabilized because they will have regulations in place. Okay. Just like the stock market. The stock market is stable. That's why a lot of Wall Street guys don't want to come into crypto currencies right now, because it's not stable. Yeah, Keith said, like the video that y'all showed on CNBC, the guy said this will be the best time to buy. Yeah, man, I know. This is crazy. Right? He told people would be the best time to buy, and that was on Friday, guys. So you know that CNBC has millions of viewers. Millions of viewers, okay? So after that, a day after that, we had this big sell-off. Okay, so that's how you know these guys are full of it. Full of it. It's sad, man. It's sad what people would go through, or this would do to another human being just to make money. It's sad. They will do anything to make money. But yes, guys, be careful out here. I'm about to get out of here soon. Be careful out here. It's definitely this market is definitely not something that you just want to treat it. You don't want to treat this like a video game. Definitely want to treat it like a business. That's the only way you will have peace and understand how things work. So just be careful out here, guys. I do expect some type of bounce soon, but I don't think it's going to be a big bounce. Okay, I don't think it's going to be a big bounce. I think it's going to be consolidation just for the next leg down. I think it's going to be consolidation just for the next leg down. Only reason why I'm saying that, because I believe that we should at least made a new high. Okay, or we should at least found some type of support around here, here. Okay, it shouldn't have been. I mean, it's a lot of selling, but we'll see. Like I said, the way I do things, I take things day by day. It's just right now, it looks like the sellers don't want to go back up. It looks like it looks like the market, the way the market looks like right now, it looks like it wants to wipe out everybody that went long on his move. Everybody that went long, it looks like it want to wipe out everybody. That's what it looks like. So anyway, let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. So you said you mailed me. Okay, so as soon as I get off this stream, I'm gonna definitely email you, give you the instructions. And until then, guys, thanks a lot actually for coming through on this Sunday day. I appreciate it for coming through on a Sunday. Make sure that you continue to have a good weekend. Make sure that you continue to study. Please do not force any trades. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but if you don't see nothing, don't force it. But yes, guys, told you guys later, if you have this course, email me and show me proof that you have the course so I can give you the Discord link. And if you don't have this course, it's going right back up to 210. So the best thing to do it is get it if you want to get it right now. Other than that, guys, the market is weak right now. and nothing really is up big. So just have to wait it out. Take it day by day. Okay, be careful. Try not to let these YouTubers trick you. Okay, you have to remember that that's their job. Okay, that's YouTube is their 9 to 5. That's how they make money. So they will do anything to get people to come back to their videos. This is how they make their money. So don't get too excited when you hear news from them. You know, that's all they are anyway. They're just newscasters. They just post the news. They can't really give any good content or new content or original content because they don't have it. They don't have the experience. So just be careful listening to people that can't make money in this current market. If someone can't make money in this current market, just be careful. Listen to someone that's saying that we're about to reverse and go to the moon. Those people have been saying that ever since January, so just be careful. Talk to you guys later. If you have, matter of fact, I don't see no questions. So yeah, guys. You said, are the biggest manipulators located in the States? Yes. You know, United States have the most money. Okay. United States is where the money is at. So, but in the crypto world, I'm not too sure. But most likely it is people, a lot of people from the States. But you know, in the crypto world is different because you have people, you know, outside the States that have money too. But definitely there's a lot of people that are from the States. Definitely are the top dogs. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for coming through. If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'll talk to you guys later, okay? All right? Talk to you guys later.